Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker, Cultivating the Learning. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to get an Excel spreadsheet into your Google Drive and how to start using it as a Google Sheet with collaboration features. So right now, I'm in my Google Drive and my Excel spreadsheet that I need is not here. Okay. Now, it was sent to me in an email. It was attached. So here it is down at the bottom of the email. Now, depending on whether you're using Google, Gmail, or Outlook, you're going to see different things. So if you're in Gmail, notice the X is here because this is an Excel file, and the extension right here shows .xls. So I know it's formatted as an Excel file. I also right here have an edit with Google Sheets. So I could click on this and start editing it right away. Right here I have Save to Drive, and this one is my download button. If I am in Outlook, I most likely am going to have to download the file first to my laptop or desktop, and then I'm going to have to import it into or upload it into my drive. So first I'm going to hit the Save to Drive button so you can see how easy it is. Now, it goes into my drive willy-nilly, so I want to make sure I hit the Organize button, and then I'm going to locate the file where I want it to be. And sometimes if you have as many folders as I have, you have to go pretty deep. So this is where I want to go, and I'm going to hit Move here, and then it warns me that since this is a shared folder, I'm sharing it with everybody, so that's fine. Okay, so now it's in my drive. If I'm in Outlook, I'm going to have to download it. So I'm going to do the Outlook version of what I would have to do. And this one, I'm just going to have it, I'm going to save it over one that I already saved. It's going to tell me that I have to replace it. That's fine. So now I have it in my computer, and I can go to I have to locate it here. And here it is. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is, now I'm going to switch over to my drive. And now here is the file that I uploaded. Notice the Excel icon. It's different than Sheets. So here I have a Sheets icon. Here I have an Excel icon. So this officially is an Excel spreadsheet. Okay. Now that was through Gmail. I was able to very quickly add it to my folder. If you're using Outlook, I'm going to have to open up the folder where I want it to be, and I'm in the right spot. Then I'm going to go to the New File and File Upload, and then I'm going to navigate to where it is, and I can select it. And you'll see down here in the bottom right-hand corner that file is uploading. Now there's a 1 next to it because I already uploaded it once. Here was the original, here was the second one. Notice that the icon is different. This one automatically uploaded and turned itself into a Google Sheets. This one right here that I just added to my file, added to my drive, is still in Excel. So when I open this one up, it has the Sheets icon. And when I open this one up, let's see what happens. This one opens up in preview only because Google can't read Excel files easily. So when I get here, this button right here with this drop-down menu is key. At this point, I want to choose Google Sheets to open with Google Sheets. And once I do that, Google is going to make a copy of it as a Google Sheet. So at this point, I'm going to have 3 because I've already done this step once in a different way. But now I have the Google icon up here. Now, why is that important? The reason it's important is because now I have the share button over here on the right-hand side that is key to collaboration. So once this finishes loading, my button's going to turn blue, and then I'm going to be able to collaborate with people live in this file. Why is that important? That is important because when I have so many different Excel files, I have to save it, then I have to pass it on to somebody, then they can make changes to it, then they have to give it back to me, and then I have 2 copies. And what happens if I share that with 4 people? Then I have 5 copies. And then if we go back into it, some people are changing the wrong copies. We've all been there. It's a nightmare. So it makes more sense for us to be working in Google Sheets with everybody working on the same document live. So that is how you can import any Excel file into Google, whether you're using Outlook or whether you're using Google Drive and Google Gmail. It doesn't matter. You can do all of it at once. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up button below this video.